Hi, welcome to Quantum Projects. Today I'm going to be building a long-range FPV recon car thing. I've got a really big project in the works, and so in the interim I'm just doing a couple of little tiny projects to pass the time. This project is basically just going to be a little car that I can drive around and spy on people with, but only people who give me their permission. It's going to be extremely quiet and extremely hard to detect. It's going to be extremely quiet and extremely hard to and as such, it's going to, well, just don't tell the CIA about it, is all I'm trying to say. I think I'm bleeding from sheriff. So yeah, I've got all these parts lying around, and so I figured I'd build a little car. And so I'm doing that, yeah. These are GA. I can't get the motor where it needs to go now. So, yeah, I skipped a little bit. This thing is basically done. The code works, written completely by ChatGPT. Let's f***ing go. This thing overheats like hell. I put it on 25 milliwatts, so hopefully it, like, doesn't overheat as much. I have to reprint a few parts because I didn't design them right. They're done. Now the printer's gonna want me to wait, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, they don't fit, but there is a way to do it. There's always a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. For YouTube purposes, I can't light this on camera. But what I'm going to do is take this wheel and take this slider and heat it up while the wheel is in my hand, which is not a good idea. Oh my God. Which is not a good idea. Alright, unfortunately, it didn't work. I wanted it to work, but it did not work. It's not coming, a chance. Two sets of wheels, one with a larger shaft, one with a smaller shaft. Man, if you saw my desk right now, you'd think I was insane. Heck, yes. Guys, these ones fit. Don't ask me why there's a little bit of hot glue. He's ready to frickin' rip. Time to do it. Let's get right into it. So, Johnson, pretty sick. Super sick, even. Just one problem. It overheats so much. This camera, in a matter of minutes, it cooks itself. So I'm left with no other choice than to take this insanely overpowered brushless motor and use it to make a fan.
I just don't know when to start. And that's exactly where it started. Oh, I paused it.
So I've redesigned the entire car. I didn't think I was going to do this, but I did. It's an entire new upper shell, entire new lower shell. The walk snail is no longer on the bottom, it's on top. And obviously, you can see there's a fan here, and it's powered by a 2500 kV drone motor. It's going to be extremely quiet. I made it so it spins at the slowest possible speed. Well, yeah, with that, let's get straight back into the racing. I have set up a course in my apartment, and it's time to race it. This is gonna be sick. Let's go. Well guys, that's just about going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Again, I am building something really sick. It's coming in about 4 or 5 months. I've wanted to build it for years. You should subscribe now. It's going to be sick.